Hey there, welcome back to EndlessFoodPot channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a delicious Sabudana Vada, a popular Maharashtrian snack that's perfect for any occasion. Before we begin, make sure to check the description box below for a list of all the ingredients you will need for this recipe. The first step in making Sabudana Vada is soaking the sago. You'll need enough water for 2 cups of sago and 1 cup of curd. Place them in a bowl and check the consistency of the water. It should be enough to allow the sabudana to sink and soak properly. Let it soak for a minimum of 3 hours. While the sabudana is soaking, let's prepare the chutney. In a bowl, combine a cup of groundnut powder, enough curd, finely chopped green chilies, some finely chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, and a teaspoon of sugar and a teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds. Mix everything well, adjust the consistency with water if needed, and set this aside for later. After the sabudana has soaked for at least 3 hours, check to ensure it's properly soaked by squeezing it. Now, in a separate bowl, add the soaked sabudana and grated potato. Some people use boiled potatoes, but here I am using directly. Finely chopped green chilies, chopped coriander, roasted peanut powder, it is completely optional. Salt to taste. Mix everything thoroughly and set it aside. Next, heat enough oil in a pan for deep frying. Once the oil is hot, shape the sabudana mixture into small patties and carefully slide them into the oil. Fry them on a medium flame until they turn golden brown and crispy. Once the sabudana vadas are cooked to perfection, remove them from the oil and there you have it. Delicious sabudana vadas are ready to be served. Enjoy them with the chutney. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!